Hey all, it's Jolene with Home Stitchery Decor. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about creating your own patterns for print on demand or for Spoonflower. So I just did a video. Somebody asked me a question, will Spoonflower integrate with Shopify? I'll put that video here if you need to refer back to it. I went over exactly how that process would work. And then I thought at the end of the video, why don't I tell you guys 5 best places to start creating your own patterns so that you can start your own business, essentially, by creating your own patterns. So I've gone ahead here and I've got 5 really good pattern creation places that you guys can get started on. And I've got some notes here, so just bear with me as I skip back and forth between the notes. The first one is going to be Kittl. You can start with pre-made patterns, swapping your own colors, shapes, or graphics, and export as a high resolution JPEG or PNG. The pricing for Kittl is, they're saying the most popular plan is $37 per month, but they've got all kinds of templates here as well that you can use. So depending on what you're designing for t-shirts, bags, hats, stickers, tech packs, book covers, album covers, etc. Kittl would be a very good place to start with designing your own products and repeat patterns. So if you're doing like bed sheets, you would need a repeat pattern if you want the pattern to repeat essentially on your sheet sets. We've all bought sheets. You've seen the patterns on them. This is places that you can do that on. Okay, so the next place that we're going to talk about is PatternedAI. I personally use this one as well as Kittl. In fact, have I used all of these? No, I haven't used all of them, but I have used PatternedAI and I have used Kittl. PatternedAI uses AI technology and a pattern builder. So essentially you would put prompts into their pattern builder, and like if you wanted, okay, a modern farmhouse floral decor, you would put that prompt into their AI pattern generator and say, I want a modern farmhouse floral decor with green sprigs and yellow flowers, and try to generate your pattern that way. Now, if you're confused about how to generate a pattern or how to write prompts for something with AI, you can always open up ChatGPT and just start asking it. If I want an image that looks like this, you could even put up a sample image and say, I would like to create an own image based on this image. What prompts would I use to create that image? Put those prompts that ChatGPT gives you into pattern.ai and start generating your own patterns. Really not that hard. Okay, and there's all kinds of video tutorials on YouTube for all of these different platforms. People have made videos in the past, so if you can't find the answer, it's because you're not looking hard enough. But definitely you can ask me questions here as well. And if I know the answers to them, that's how I make more content for you guys and hopefully inspire you to start your own businesses. Yay. Okay, so the next one. Okay, so the next one is going to be Canva. You can create a square canvas like 36 by 36 pixels and put your elements in the middle, drag and drop them to the corners, and then use their how would we do that? Use their copy and paste position tools to move the elements into the corners so they'll repeat seamlessly. Then you export your seamless pattern and upload it into Spoonflower. So you want to make sure that you're downloading and uploading things in the right formats and in the right pixels and all that kind of fun stuff. But this video is basically to just give you 5 options for where you can actually do this. So the next one is going to be Adobe Illustrator. This is a professional choice by far. Illustrator has a dedicated pattern tool that lets you build seamless repeats, control spacing, and preview how your design tiles. If you want to control and you're aiming to license your patterns beyond Spoonflower, Illustrator is the industry standard for that. It's a steeper learning curve, but it's really powerful. And I will put a couple of Skillshare classes in the video description, because I know there's people on Skillshare that teach Adobe Illustrator, and I don't teach it, So why not go learn from the professionals? So everything that I have here that I can put a link for, I will put in the video description and in the first comment for you guys so that you can seamlessly and easily go and learn some of these skills to start creating your own products. Yeah, so that's what we're going to do. Okay, so the last one here is going to be Procreate. And if you like drawing on your iPad, Procreate is going to be the answer for you guys. So it is, gosh, I've seen it done. I haven't done it myself, and I'll tell you why. I cannot draw for the life of me. I literally cannot draw. So Procreate on your iPhone is $7.99. They've got brushes for it. I'm sure there's going to be like upgraded pricing as you get into different levels of this. But Procreate, you can work right on your iPad with one of those pencil-y things. And this literally for me would be my worst nightmare. But somebody's really artistic. Look at this girl drawing on here. I cannot, I can't. I know that's all about me, but I cannot do it. Okay, so there's 5 places there that you can make your patterns for. And we were talking about Spoonflower in the last video. So we're going to just show you some of the products here for Spoonflower. Here is sheet sets. Now, they've got popular themes. So these are ones that you could actually purchase with designers that have already put their designs onto Spoonflower, and then they sell their products directly off of here. But you can become one of these designers as well. It's not hard to set up a Spoonflower account, start creating your own repeat patterns, and just learn how to do the listings and get everything loaded up there properly. So you could also repurpose all of these designs into pretty much anything that you wanted to do. So let's take, for instance, if we wanted to do Printify. Printify has unlimited products. Like, it's absolutely crazy how many products they have on Printify. We'll just go quickly here up to the catalog, but you could use the same designs that you've just made making products on Spoonflower, save your designs and load them up onto other products seamlessly, and basically have unlimited products that you could have that same design on. So a design that you had on a set of sheets, you could have it on a crew neck sweatshirt. You could have it on a heavy cotton tee. You could also have it on things like mouse pads or desk pads, or say we wanted to have it on kitchen accessories. We've got everything here from coasters to a lunch bag. So you're going to do all the work up front to create those designs, and you should put those designs onto as many products as possible. If I can do stuff like this, I promise you can too. So there's 5 places that you can start creating your own designs today. I hope that helps. And check out the other video for how Spoonflower and Shopify integrate, do they, ? All the things. I will have it linked to the end of this video. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.